Hello, everyone. My name is Haddy Faal, and thank you for joining me today. Let's imagine a typical doctor's visit. You get your temperature checked, blood pressure, of course, maybe even cholesterol. But there's one powerful system that's almost always overlooked: your gut. And I believe it's time we rethink that. We've long known the gut is important for digestion. But what if I told you it also plays a critical role in your mood, your immune defense, and even how your body responds to disease? Despite this, gut health rarely makes it into routine checkups. So today, I want to ask, why don't we treat gut health as a vital sign? Let's unpack this. The gut isn't just a digestive tube, it's a dynamic microbial ecosystem that influences everything from mental health to inflammation and immunity. And yet, it doesn't get the attention it deserves. Not in medical practice and not in personal wellness. What do I mean by attention? Sure, there are companies like Viome offering direct to consumer microbiome testing. These services claim to reveal what's living in your gut and how to improve your health. But here's the issue: they're expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars. And once you get your results, they're filled with complex science speak. So even when gut testing is available, most people either can't afford it or don't know what to do with the data. If we're going to take gut health seriously, we need to ask, how do we make this testing more accessible? And how do we translate the data into real life decisions people can actually understand and use? Because giving gut health the attention it deserves means making it possible, affordable, and clear for everyone. Here's the bigger issue: what science knows often doesn't show up in the doctor's office. Your gut microbiome isn't just important, it's a diagnostic tool waiting to be used. Take colorectal cancer, for example. Certain gut bacteria can act as early warning signs, sometimes even before symptoms appear. We're also finding connections between the microbiome and early detection of type 2 diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, and even depression. Your gut might actually know something's wrong before you do. So, why isn't this part of a regular checkup? Even scientists are surprised by what's been uncovered. According to research done by Proctor et al., where you live and what you eat directly shape your gut microbiome. Another recent study by Piccino et al. Also discovered that some microbes act like biosensors, alerting us early to illnesses, like in this example, colon cancer. And here's a twist: probiotics, often marketed as miracle fixes, may delay recovery of your natural gut flora after antibiotics. This shows us that the gut is both deeply personal and easily disrupted, and we're still learning how to take care of it properly. We measure blood pressure and cholesterol because they help predict future health problems. But what about the microbial markers in your gut? Why aren't they part of the conversation? This opens an important question. Are we even collecting the right data during checkups? If we're not asking about digestion, diet, antibiotics, or stress, and we're not running any tests that reflect the gut, we're missing a huge piece of the health puzzle. It's time to listen to the gut and treat it with the same urgency and routine as every other vital sign. So I leave you with this. If our gut has so much to say about our health, why aren't we listening? Your gut is a symphony of microbial voices, informing, adapting, even warning, and it's time to start hearing them. Thank you.